Hello everyone, I have come up with another numerical. This is a different kind of numerical. Okay, hash 02 of today's session. Yesterday I had also discussed two numerical based on this critical frequency and maximum electron concentration. Okay, so in this question, an electromagnetic wave is propagating at a frequency of 30 megahertz in an ionized medium. Okay, electromagnetic wave is propagating at a frequency of 30 megahertz into an ionized medium. The electron density increases in the direction of propagation. Determine the electron density at which the phase velocity of the wave tend to infinity. Okay, so the data which is given here, frequency 30 megahertz, that means 30 into 10 to the power 6 hertz, means 3 into 10 to the power 7 hertz. The frequency is given. Okay, and also one important parameter is given, phase velocity of the wave tend to infinity, that means Vp is equal to infinity. Okay, since we know that refractive index of the ionized medium is given by mu is equal to root over 1 minus 81n by f square. Now this value of mu of the ionosphere is also equal to C upon Vp. Okay, when you have established this relationship, then this equal to sin I upon sin R, and it is also equal to C upon Vp. Okay, so when you people have established the ionospheric refractive index for the given ionic concentration, that is root over 1 minus 81n by f square, this was also equal to C upon Vp, where C is the speed of light and divided by Vp is the phase velocity. So that means you can also equate the value of refractive index with C upon Vp is equal to, this is also equal to sin I upon sin R. Okay, fine. So now I'm just writing here C upon Vp upon root over 1 minus 81n by f square. Now Vp is given infinity, so C upon infinity, and this is equal to root over 1 minus 81n upon f square. So something by infinity will give you 0. So 0 is equal to root over 1 minus 81n by f square. So this implies that 1 minus 81n by f square is equal to 0. Now squaring both sides, so this will give you 81n is equal to f square. Okay, so n is equal to f square by 81. So n is equal to f square by 81. F is given 3 into 10 to the power 7. So just put whole square upon 81. So this will give you 9 into 10 to the power 14 divided by 81. After solving this, we will get 11.11 into 10 to the power 12 electron per cubic meter. So this is a very important question. Many times this question has been asked in your university exams. I have also asked for the various, in various patches. Okay, so you can see this question in your PYQ, which I have given you. Do practice yourself and prepare yourself for this kind of exam question, in which you have got the relation of refractive index like mu is equal to C upon Vp, which is also equal to root over epsilon R, which is also equal to sin I upon sin R, which is also equal to root over 1 minus 81n by f square. So this is the complete expression of the refractive index for the ionospheric propagation. So you have to keep in mind this complete relation, so that any question may be asked based on any other parameter, unknown parameter, then you will be able to solve the numerical. What is that? Mu is equal to C upon Vp, which is also equal to at the same time root over epsilon R, directive constant, and it is also equal to Snell's law sin I by sin R, which is also equal to root over 1 minus 81n upon f square. So this is the whole derivation. So in this way I have discussed the critical frequency questions. In my next class I will also discuss few numericals. Thank you.